Welcome to Crypterium. Here we'll walk through the steps on how to activate your plastic Crypterium Card VISA. First, you'll need to click on the Card tab. Here you'll just have to click on Activate My Card to begin the process. Here you'll need to enter your 16-digit Crypterium Card VISA number. Now click Confirm. Now you need to create a secret phrase, no less than 4 characters, and not more than 140. The secret phrase is used to confirm online payments through 3D secure authentication, along with the SMS one-time password. Now click on Confirm. Here you'll need to create a 4-digit security PIN. After you create your PIN, the application will automatically take you to the next page. Your PIN is now set. The final step is for you to go to an ATM and use your card to finalize the activation process. If you ever want to, you can always change your secret phrase and PIN code through your Crypterium app. And remember, if you're using an iPhone, to link your card to Apple Pay. That's our tutorial for today. Enjoy your new plastic Crypterium Card VISA.